Greetings, future investors. Today we embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of investing in the year 2024. As we step into this new era, the financial landscape is evolving, with market trends shifting like never before. Navigating these changes requires new strategies, a fresh perspective, and a keen understanding of the investment world. It's not just about having capital, it's about knowing where to place it and when. So buckle up as we navigate the financial landscape of 2024 together. First, let's ensure we have a solid foundation by understanding the basics of investing. Investing is all about putting your money to work. When you invest, you're buying a small piece of a company, a commodity, or some other asset with the hope that its value will increase over time, providing you with a return on your investment. This return can come in the form of dividends, interest, or capital gains. So what are the key fundamentals you need to know? First, there's the concept of risk and return. These two go hand in hand. Generally, the higher the potential return, the higher the risk. Some investments are riskier than others. For example, stocks are often considered riskier than bonds. But with that higher risk comes the potential for higher returns. Next, let's talk about diversification. This is the practice of spreading your investments around to reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one investment doesn't perform well, you have others that may be doing better. Diversification can help smooth out the ups and downs of your investment portfolio. Then, there's the importance of research. Before investing in anything, it's crucial to do your homework. Understand the company, the industry, and the market conditions. With the internet, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. But be careful, not all information is created equal. Always cross-verify from multiple reliable sources. Even though we're in 2024, these principles remain unchanged. They've stood the test of time and continue to guide investors in making informed decisions. However, the way we apply these principles may evolve with changing market conditions and advancements in technology. And finally, patience is key. Investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. It's a journey, not a sprint. So, don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay the course, keep learning, and keep investing. Remember, a strong foundation is the key to withstand the turbulent waves of the financial market. Now, what makes 2024 a unique year for investing? Let's dive in. In the world of investing, change is the only constant, and 2024 is no exception. This year, we're seeing a whole new wave of trends and changes that are reshaping the investment landscape. Let's explore some of these exciting developments. Firstly, let's talk about technological advancements. We're living in a digital age, and technology is becoming an increasingly important part of our investing strategies. Artificial intelligence, for instance, is revolutionizing the way we analyze and predict market trends. Advanced algorithms can now sift through vast amounts of data in seconds, providing us with valuable insights and giving us an edge in our investment decisions. On the other hand, blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is shaking up the financial world. It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. Many other cryptocurrencies are gaining ground, and blockchain technology is being adopted in various industries from real estate to healthcare, opening up new investment opportunities. Next, let's look at emerging industries. The green energy sector, for example, is experiencing explosive growth. With growing concerns about climate change, there's an increasing demand for renewable energy sources. Companies that are developing innovative solutions in this field are attracting a lot of investor interest. Similarly, the healthcare technology industry is booming. With advancements in telemedicine, personalized medicine, and health monitoring devices, this industry offers promising investment prospects. Finally, the market dynamics are changing. The traditional 9-to-5 work model is being replaced with more flexible work arrangements, leading to a rise in the gig economy. This shift is having a significant impact on various sectors, from real estate to tech, creating new investment opportunities. So what does all this mean for you as an investor? It means that 2024 is a year full of potential. It's a year to embrace new technologies, explore emerging industries, and adapt to changing market dynamics. Adapting to these changes will be crucial for your investment success in 2024. You're now ready to learn the steps to invest effectively in 2024. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Research the market. This is your first and arguably most important step. Familiarize yourself with the current economic climate. Look at trends, market indicators, and economic forecasts. Understand the sectors that are thriving and those that are not. Are tech companies booming? Is the renewable energy sector showing promise? The answers to these questions will help you identify potential investment opportunities. Step 2. Set clear investment goals. Ask yourself why you're investing. Is it for retirement, to buy a house, or perhaps fund a child's education? Your goals will dictate your investment strategy. For example, if you're saving for retirement, you might want to consider long-term investments that grow over time. Step 3. Choose your investment options. Now that you're armed with market knowledge and clear goals, it's time to select your investment options. These could range from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, to real estate, and even cryptocurrencies. Each option comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so choose wisely. Step 4. Create an investment plan. This is where you decide how much money you're willing to invest, how often, and in what. This plan should align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, investing is not about making quick cash. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. It's an old adage, but a good one. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might. Step 6. Monitor your investments. Once you've invested, it's essential to keep an eye on your portfolio. Monitor the performance of your investments and the market trends. This doesn't mean you need to check your portfolio every day, but regular reviews are a good idea. Step 7. Adjust your portfolio. The market is dynamic, and so should be your investment strategy. If an investment is consistently underperforming or if there's a change in the market trends, don't hesitate to adjust your portfolio. Selling off underperforming assets or investing more in high-performing ones can help keep your portfolio healthy. And finally, Step 8. Keep learning. The world of investing is always evolving. New investment options, market trends, and economic policies pop up regularly. Stay informed, keep learning, and adapt your strategy as needed. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn. It may seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. These steps will guide you on your journey to successful investing in 2024. Investing in 2024 might seem daunting, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it successfully. Let's take a moment to look back at what we've covered. We started by introducing the basics of investing, reminding ourselves that the core principles of smart and diversified investing remain as relevant today as they've ever been. We then moved on to explore the unique aspects of investing in 2024. We discussed how the landscape has changed and continues to evolve. The rise of sustainable investing and the increasing influence of technology in finance are just a couple of examples of how the investment world is not what it used to be. From there, we walked you through a step-by-step guide on how to invest in this brave new world. We looked at how to assess your personal financial goals and risk tolerance, how to research and select investments that align with those goals, and how to monitor your portfolio and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about setting yourself up for long-term financial success. And while the specifics of investing in 2024 might be different from what they were a decade ago, the underlying approach remains the same. Understand your goals, do your research, be patient and stay the course. But don't stop here, keep learning, keep adapting. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the challenges and opportunities that come your way. To wrap it up, understanding and adapting to the changing investment landscape is not just an option, it's a necessity. As we move further into the 21st century, the ability to navigate these changes will be a key determinant of financial success. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial success in 2024.